Okay, this week let's talk about evaluating the role and importance of software architecture in agile development. Firstly, we need to understand what software architecture is. The foundation of a software system is the architecture. Just as buildings requires a solid foundation, software also requires a well-designed architecture to ensure its stability and reliability. Agile software development methods emphasize repair, response to change, and continuous delivery, which poses special challenges to software architecture. Software architecture plays a crucial role throughout the entire development process, determining the maintainability, scalability, and overall quality of the system. And then software architecture provides a clear vision and a solid foundation for system growth. Without a clear architectural design, team may enter blind development, which will lead to increasing complexity of the system and affect subsequent maintenance and expansion. In addition, good architecture design can also identify potential risks and challenges in the earlier stages of a project, providing the team with sufficient time to respond. With clear architectural guidance, development team can work more efficiently to ensure continuous delivery and high quality of software. This approach involves with the system and is influenced by iterative development and refactoring. Decisions are made just in time based on current requirements and existing knowledge. As the system grows, the architecture organically adapts. Example, a startup building a minimal viable product may not invest heavily in architecture initially. As the user-based growth and the requirement change, the architecture evolves to accommodate scalability and other needs. Planned architecture. Here, architectures make significant architectural decisions upfront based on anticipated requirements and future challenges. This doesn't mean the decision is ready. Rather, it's a proactive approach to expecting needs. Example, a financial institution developing a new banking system would plan the architecture extensively. Due to security, performance, and complex requirements, they will design by future scenario in mind, even if all features are not implemented immediately. When to plan, it's crucial to strike a balance where Agile should have a upfront documentation. It doesn't ignore planning. Architecture should be planned when the team has enough information for functional and non-functional requirements, but should remain flexible to adapt as these requirements evolve. How to plan. Use architecture speaks short, focused efforts to research or experiment with solutions, incorporate feedback loops, regularly revisit and potentially adjust architecture decision, design and document minimal, ensure understandability without excessive detail. By home, where all team members should be involved in architecture decision. The software architecture is senior developers often take the lead. They gather input from the team, stakeholders, and other inspectors, ensuring that the architecture meets both current and anticipated needs. In this part, I will introduce the role of a software architect in agile teams. Visionary. Architects provide a vision for the system architecture, ensuring alignment with business goals and the stakeholder requirements. Guide. Mentor the guide to the team on architectural practices, design patterns, and the technologies. Collaborator. Architecture work closely with developers, product owners, and stakeholders. In Agile, the architect isn't a sealed role but a collaborator in the iterative process. Decision maker. Will they solicit input? Architects often have the final say in significant architectural decisions, ensuring consistency and quality. Guardian. They ensure that the system adheres to non-function requirements like security, performance, and scalability. In conclusion, software architecture is essential in software development, striking a balance between emergent and planned strategies. This software architecture plays a modified role, building the gap between vision and implementation while collaborating with the team. With the right approach, Agile team can create systems that are both flexible and robust with an architecture that evolves to meet the demand of a challenging landscape. And here's the reference list. That's all. Thank you for listening.